How to make women wet on bed. Creating a sensual and exciting experience that leads to a woman becoming wet in bed involves a combination of physical and emotional connection, communication, and understanding her individual preferences. Here's a comprehensive guide. 1. Foreplay is key. Take your time. Don't rush into intercourse. Foreplay is crucial for building arousal and lubrication. Focus on her erogenous zones. Explore areas like her neck, ears, inner thighs, and of course, her clitoris. Vary your touch. Use a combination of light strokes, massages, and more intense stimulation. Communicate. Ask her what she likes and pay attention to her reactions. 2. Create a sensual atmosphere. Set the mood. Dim lights, candles, soft music, and a clean, comfortable environment can enhance the experience. Engage her senses. Use scented candles or oils, play music she enjoys, and focus on creating a relaxing and intimate atmosphere. 3. Focus on her pleasure. Ask her what she likes. Open communication is essential. Ask her what feels good, and what she enjoys. Pay attention to her body language. Her moans, gasps, and facial expressions will tell you what she's enjoying. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different techniques and positions to see what works best for her. 4. Build emotional intimacy. Connect emotionally, talk to her, share your feelings, and make her feel loved and appreciated. Make her feel safe and comfortable. Trust and vulnerability are essential for sexual arousal. 5. Consider using a lubricant. Lubricant can enhance pleasure. It can reduce friction and make sex more comfortable, especially if she's not producing enough natural lubrication. Choose the right lubricant. Water-based lubricants are generally recommended. 6. Be patient and understanding. Every woman is different. Some women may get wet quickly, while others may take longer. Be patient and don't put pressure on her. Don't take it personally if she doesn't get wet. There can be many reasons for this, including stress, anxiety, or hormonal changes. Important considerations. Consent is essential. Always make sure she's comfortable with what you're doing. Respect her boundaries. If she says no or asks you to stop, respect her wishes. Focus on mutual pleasure. Sex should be enjoyable for both partners. Additional tips. Oral sex can be very effective. Many women find clitoral stimulation to be very arousing. Use your fingers. Fingering can be a great way to stimulate her clitoris and G-spot. Don't be afraid to try new things. Experiment with different techniques and positions to find what works best for both of you. Remember, the most important thing is to focus on creating a loving, respectful, and enjoyable experience for both of you. Thank you for watching and hope it helps to strengthen your relationship. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos from us.